Well, hello, it's Bears back. As you can see, I've got a lock already loaded up in the vise. It's by K1Locks. It came in this box here, and I don't know if that's the name of the lock or it just says good or what, but we're gonna see about getting into this guy. And get my challenge lock. Well, let me show you the keys and everything first. And there's your bidding. Keep forgetting to do that there. Key works perfectly, no sweat. Gonna go ahead and just throw a light tension on this thing and get in here and get after it. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Where's my thingy? Gotta protect the bottom. Let's get on our pins. Let me readjust myself here, guys. And gals. Not used to working out of a vise, so bear with me. I got nice movement on back pin, little movement on the next one up. I think it's 5 and 4. Little movements as I go. Nothing really there. Well, maybe there could be. Yeah, go back here and hack around in it, guys, and see what we come up with, I guess. I'm just gonna move through the stack. I'm not good enough to explain every pin I'm on. I'm just finding the ones that work for me. I just heard a bunch drop. Sounded like man, nothing's moving there. What did I just lose? Okay. Wow, it's got some crunchy going on in here. Gotta get a little twist action, I guess. Yeah, I'm not going to be talking too much because I'm going to try to concentrate, which is hard enough for me. A thought is very painful. Ooh, got a big drop there. Nice. Big false set. Let's see. Where are you at? I know there's a hiding pin there somewhere. Just waiting to make my life miserable. Where's you at? Oh. Feel good there. A little more there. Okay. And we're open, guys. I will take that. You betcha I will. Let's get this thing out of here. Ooh, I'm so nervous. No, that was a lot of fun. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's set that just like that. Don't run away. Let me get a board up here. I gotta see what we got. Okay, we're there. Let's go back here. And fine. All right, right there. Ooh. Okay, sorry about hitting the camera, guys. I'm gonna do my best. Oh, come on. Get off there. You little sneak devil, you. Oh. Finish going. I hate when they don't cooperate. What? Where's that? Give me you. Oh, you stinker. What is going on here? Oh, don't turn. Dirtbag. Kind of hookup is this? Thank you. Ugh. What a major pain. All right. I am definitely, I'm going to start shaking, guys. That's nature of my beast. I get excited and, ooh, uh-oh. That cap looks like it's coming off. Ooh. Oh boy. There we go. Now we're going somewhere. Okay, so those pins are going to come out on top. What? And follow through. Nice. Ooh, what do we got? Let's see. Stop trying to shake. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. Boy, talk about a trapping you. I think. No. Oh, that's a wafer. Wow. Okay. Don't go over there. Fine. Number one had a wafer in it. Oh. That's a heck of a pin. Wow, these are some wild pins, I tell you. Let me try to get them out here in the right spots. Oh, that was a two-piece. Okay, let's see what's going on in here. I don't see anything, guys. I don't see anything. These little guys. That goes there. Bear with me, guys. Turn that around. That's a bomb. Yeah. Okay, now I need a beer after that. And that one right there. Okay. Whew. Man. That was awesome. I'm gonna try not to mess this up. I can see I needed a bigger follower here. I'm gonna do it that way. Where's my little ones? Where are my big ones? Come on. Okay. A little T-pin on the end of this guy. Number one. And a spring. I don't know. I'm colorblind, guys. I don't know. Okay, number two. Bear with me, guys. I don't want to mess this up with the shakes that I have. I don't see it. Oh, I don't see it coming. It's in there, but it's... There it is. Oh. It's a little mangled. Oh, back to what I was doing. I hope. All right. Oh, man. Cooperate. Yes, the spring came out. Yay. I'm going to go on the other end. I'll be nice and calm once this is over, but I want to get this one. Oh, man. Oh, covered it back up. There we go. There's a spring on that one. And last but not least, and let's see what we can see in that core. Hey, my flashlight actually worked that time. Oh, I've got threading in every single one of them. There's threading in every one of those guys. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that way, but every one of those are threaded. So let's take a look at these pins. I know I'm slow at this, guys, so bear with me. Oh, that's some... Okay, that wafer needs to be up there, but I'm not going to move this around too much. As you can see, those are some mean pins. Well done. Thank you, K1Locks. Nice. If you know, tell us the name of this lock if you... and thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.